Laser engraving is generally used in craft, molds, and special industries. In a particular application, it can replace CNC processing. Laser engraving could achieve more precision processing image. The processing efficiency is higher than CNC and the same configuration. Today, let's talk about how could laser engraving be more precise. We recommend a pulse laser under 100 watts to processing the engraving. Although higher power could improve the efficiency, the higher energy will melt material and engraving cannot be formed. Besides, the calibration precision of the scan head plays a key role in the laser engraving effect. The produce of laser engraving is size, setting laser thickness, and then clean at the final step. After multi-test, we found that the parameter setting of the laser on delay and laser off delay has an important effect on the finished product. When the parameter setting of fielding is at 0.5 mm, the engraved image could be more precise. When proceeding to engrave step, please set clean function every 3 to 5 layers. With these particular tips, the metal engraving errors could be within 0.5 mm. At present, we do have tested a multi-material such as brush, stainless steel, SRC, ceramics, wood. Different materials are along with their according to processing parameters. What is your engraving material? Welcome to discuss with us.